Firefighters in Jefferson County say they don't expect a wildfire burning south of Boulder to grow any further. The Dawson fire burned about 13 acres and is 75% contained. The Boulder Bull Mountain Volunteer Fire Department says ground crews will keep working the fire until dark. They'll return in the morning to see if the expected rain overnight puts the fire out completely. Leaders are asking the public to yield to firefighting traffic on State Highway 69. They asked drivers not to stop on the highway or the shoulder because it has been creating congestion.